In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermarks in Microsoft Word. If you need to mark a document as draft, confidential, or simply want a subtle brand note on every page, a watermark is the cleanest, most consistent way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect as you go. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. At the top of the window, look for the ribbon and click the Design tab. This is where Word keeps many of the appearance controls that affect the whole document, including page color, themes, and, of course, watermarks. Next, click Watermark. You'll see a built-in gallery appear right away. These are ready-made options designed to drop neatly behind your content without overpowering it. Choose a template that matches your purpose, something like draft or confidential, either diagonal or horizontal. As soon as you pick one, it's applied across the entire document. Don't worry, the watermark sits behind your text and images, so you can keep typing or formatting as usual. If you're working across multiple files, switch to the document where you want the watermark to appear. For example, move over to the file named document8.docs, and you'll see the watermark in the background of every page there as well. Word carries that setting through consistently, which is helpful when you're preparing a set of related documents. Now, click File. This is a good moment to save your changes and check how the watermark looks in Print Preview. It should appear faint and professional, just visible enough to communicate its message without interfering with readability. If it looks too bold or too light on your printer, you can always come back and try a different built-in option. While you're reviewing, you might also want to draw attention to a few lines of text for your team. Click the Highlight tool to apply a soft color to selected text so it stands out during review. Click Highlight again to remove it from text you no longer need to emphasize or to switch to a different color. This quick visual cue works nicely alongside your watermark, helping reviewers focus on the right sections, while the watermark communicates the document's overall status. And that's it. You clicked Design, opened Watermark, chose a template, moved to the document you need, visited File to finalize and preview, and used Highlight to emphasize key text. Save your file, and you're ready to share a clearly labeled, professional-looking document.